Dr. Alex Martin here from MetroMD, and today I would like to discuss with you the use of stem cells, your own stem cells, to repair elbow damage and destruction around the elbow. Many of us are reluctant to undergo surgery or to have joint replacement because of the risks involved and the time it takes for healing, convalescence periods being from 6 to 12 weeks in some cases. We have always looked for alternative therapies, and finally, with the advent of the 21st century, we have discovered over the last decade that we ourselves, as adults, have sufficient supplies of stem cells in our bone marrow that are accessible. And we can take those stem cells and concentrate them and then inject them in a very targeted fashion where we need to, around the elbow and in the tendons, areas that have been damaged. What does this do? Well, it allows the structures to regrow around the elbow. The important tendons and cartilage have to be restored if we're going to get full range of motion and function. So we know that by applying these techniques, we can then alleviate chronic pain around the elbow and also the necessity for replacing joints over time. By early intervention, we're able to mitigate against the surgical necessity and reduce the risks. When we inject or we open up areas like the elbow, there's always a risk of infection and problems related to surgery, and that's what we would like to avoid. So with stem cells therapy, we're able to take your own stem cells, concentrate them down, and then targeted place them in a very select manner under sterile procedures and have very, very fine results. We usually start to see results between 6 weeks and 6 months out. So this is a very exciting, wonderful area in which we can work and which has now been approved for use. So this is a good way to avoid surgery, and we think that this will be the wave of the future to avoid downtime and the risks related to surgery. Again, this is Dr. Alex Martin. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to call me at 323-285-5300, or you may write me at info@metromd.net. Thank you.